We have just left Grove Park on a new SL4 bus. We are travelling towards Canary Wharf via the Silvertown Tunnel. You can just see Canary Wharf on the horizon.
So yeah, look, the bus goes all the way to Canary Wharf. It literally goes through the building.
It goes in a straight line.
Well, kinda. Well, obviously wiggles by the roads it has to go through, but yeah, basically going straight there.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do that.
We should do that. You know, that's what we did with that light exhibition. I know, I like that. It's cool, isn't it? Oh, look, it was green the other day.
We are going via Blackheath.
Royal Parade.
I think we should get off here.
But the guy there is painting.
Is he?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, cool.
Yeah, well, that's cool.
Let's go, because we're just going to go straight down that path.
Yeah, we walk straight up.
Yeah. Look, my bag, yeah? I've got my drink.
We are on the Blackwall Tunnel Southern Approach road. To the left is Canary Wharf, and to the right you can see the pylons of the O2 Arena. You can fork left for the Blackwall Tunnel. We're going to fork right and go through the Silvertown Tunnel. The tunnel is 1.4 kilometres long in length, and that's 0.87 miles. It was opened on the 7th of April 2025. There's special buses that take the cycles.
Special buses that take
Well, special vehicles anyway.
I thought they were allowed to cycle themselves. Isn't it?
It's a Waitrose, the largest in the UK.
From modern areas,
Canada Square South, Canary Wharf Station.
it's just the end of it.
Lovely. Do we need to go any further?
Is this the last stop?